Here's the question. Can you search for people on LinkedIn using their phone number or their email address? Let me do some research and show you what you can and can't do. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to do a search for my email address. And if I do that, look, this stuff shows up. Why? Because my email address is in these articles. My email address is not public on my LinkedIn profile, but it is public on these articles. Hey, let me do another one. Watch this. Let me do. They came out with nothing. I know this person. I know that's their email address. I know they have a LinkedIn profile, but it doesn't show up. Why? Because her email address is not in her LinkedIn profile. Let me give you another one. I'm going to hide this guy's email address so you can't see it. But again, I know this person. I know that email address that I'm searching for is in his contact information, but it is not in his LinkedIn profile anywhere. Let me give you one more. Now, here's one. This person showed up, people, also post, because his email address is in the post. But look, it shows up in his profile shows up because he has that email address publicly listed in his summary / about section of his LinkedIn profile. I'll do a couple more. Let me do phone numbers. Now, this is very interesting. This phone number is my business phone number. It is on my company page. It's also on my LinkedIn profile under contact information. But remember, that's not public information. That's only visible to first level connections. But I would expect for this to show post and companies. Yes, I have that phone number in these posts right here. That's a pulse. That's a post. And this is also a post right here. It's an article. And this is an article. These are all articles. But interestingly, I know for a fact that that phone number is public on my company page under the About section. Maybe that's not searchable. Don't know. I would think, no, I'm pretty sure this is searchable. But the phone number does not show up in search. The only time that phone number showed up is because it's in a post. Or if that phone number was in, based on the Randy example, if that phone number was in my summary section or my about section of my profile. Bottom line, phone numbers and email addresses are only searchable, well, you can search for them, but you'll only find content if the phone number or the email address is in the LinkedIn profile or in articles. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.